In this video, we're going to take a look at how you can get your images to the front of your flashcards. If you have created toggle lists, you already know it's not possible to add images here to the front. If you try to do it, Notion is going to move your cursor away from the toggle header in this case. One thing you can start doing now is using columns, and the way it works is you essentially just drag a block and then position it next to another block, and then you get a column. That's how easy it is. So let's create our new flashcard here. We're just gonna add, let's use heading 3, and which country does this flag belong to? I could have copy pasted, I know, but I retyped it. So let's copy this image, and then what we're gonna do is position it just there, and nothing happened. But let's add something else here. We'll use the H1, Albania in this case, and then we'll position it right next to the image. And let's move this question here right above it, bam. And you can see now these are grouped. You can actually resize and so on. And if we go on over to Anki.net, or actually let's make sure it's shared first. It is shared with Anki Integration. Make sure to do that. Let's search for it here, countries in Europe. There it shows up, and let's click the gear icon here, and you can see there's a new option here, flashcards or column lists. Let's enable that. Click the save and click the APKG, and let's refresh this. There, it finished, and then it downloaded. Let's import it into Anki, and we can see we have a flashcard here. Which country does this flag belong to? Albania. So we essentially got the image on the front, and that's how you use columns in Anki.net. Try it out. Let me know what you think, and also please note that it only works for basic cards currently. So if there's enough interest, I can add it to close deletions and input cards. Thanks for watching, and please do hit the like and subscribe if you haven't already. Bye.